So this song, you're going to want capo on 1 and playing a D minor chord. D minor is open, 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 2, 3, 1. Open, 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 2, 3, 1. And you're only going to be playing these 3 strings for the arpeggiated melody of the song. And you're going to want to move your pointer finger off and back on the 1st fret for the melody. So I'm going to play it up here so you can see the strings I'm plucking. But obviously you're not going to play this song up here like this. So slower, that's that. Also, why are you even learning this song?